Okay, Brian from Garage Mahal, bathroom edition. Our shower head started leaking, and basically it's one of these push button ones, and the button is just basically dead on it. Kind of disappointing. I've had this for probably only 6 months, so it's a Delta, whatever it is. Anyway, so we picked this one up, another Delta, but it's got a dial on it versus one of those little push buttons. So I'm expecting this probably to work a lot better. So let's open this up. Oh, you only really need some Teflon tape, which I think this might have it in there. A pair of like RoboGrip pliers. These things are awesome. I've had these for like 20 years. They're great. And a pick tool. And I'll show you exactly what we're going to use that for. Alright, so let's open this up. The box opens a little bit better than this. And some tape will cut out. Alright, so there we go. Keep that handy in case we need that. So this is basically everything you get in the box. A lot of plastic. Your directions. And I've had a few of these over the years. Oh, look at that. Absolutely no Teflon tape. Okay. Alright, so make sure you got some Teflon tape, and I'll show you what you're going to use that for. So, anyway, I guess this is probably a better design than the one that failed. Hopefully that rattle's not a sign that there's something wrong in there. But anyway, okay. So, this is going to be your hose. And the ends are protected. And this actually has like little rubber gaskets in there. So you actually won't need Teflon tape for that. So just put that down there. Oh, I like giving it just a little bit of, a couple drops of water. It just makes it a better, tighter fit. Okay, that's that end. A couple little drips in there. Okay. I'll put that into the bottom here. And I'm a little dirty. I was working on cars all day in actual Garage Mahal. Okay, so, and again, this has a little bit of a gasket, but I do like putting a little bit of Teflon tape on that end just to make it a little bit better. And to get this off, and I'm looking for the water restrictor, which is usually hidden behind here, but I don't see any restrictor, but we're going to pull this out. Oh yeah, okay. So hopefully you can see in there. See that little gasket that's way down in there? So you want to grab that and pull that out. Now if you live in California somewhere where they restrict water, you have to leave that in. But if you live anywhere else, you can get away with pulling that little water restrictor out. And then you're good to go. Alright, okay, so I'll put that down there for now. This old one, I know I had to kind of put on here tight. Okay. This old one will just twist off. And that's off. And then this Teflon tape is actually pretty good. But if you have Teflon tape, I like to give a quick coating. I just put it clockwise, just one quick sweep on there, and that's all you need. Alright, so same thing, put a little bit of water in here. Okay. And then we'll just make sure you have a good grip on this when it starts so it doesn't fall off completely. Alright, and then twist it back on. And it'll start getting tight. Right about there. And I just like getting on the edge of the shower. And then you don't have to be He-Man tight, but I like to make sure that I have a pretty good grip on here. And you don't want to over tighten it because then it will snap that little plastic. But other than that, we are done with that install. Let's put this up here. You can measure. So that fits in there pretty good like that. Nice snap fit. All right, let's try it out. All right, what we're looking for is we're looking for leaks. So there's no leaks there. There's no leaks up there. There's no leaks coming up from the faucet. So we have that pretty good. And if you're wondering how all this works, so that's going to be your push button valve in there. Oh, you know what? There's a valve behind here that turns that. So you can set that shower head. You can have it a bunch of different settings. It's got a pause button on there. So I think with that switch in the back, yeah, so you can use both. So you can use both settings, or just put it onto your wand, or you can just have it on that spray. And we like to have it kind of like, so you can use both that and a wand. Alright, there you go. Okay, Brian from Garage Mulholland is your quick and easy shower head replacement and install. Be safe out there. Thanks for watching and subscribing.